Of unity in religion. According to Bacon, religious unity is essential for the stability and prosperity of society. Bacon observed that religious division and conflict have led to chaos and discord throughout history. He suggests that unity in religion can be achieved through tolerance, moderation, and a focus on common principles rather than divisive doctrines and fixed rules. Bacon emphasized the importance of religious leaders and rulers working together to promote unity and harmony among their followers. He also highlights the dangers of religious fanaticisms and extremisms, which can lead to violence and oppressions. Overall, Bacon advocates for a pragmatic approach to religion that prioritizes peace and cooperation over theological differences. ऐसे फर्स्ट पब्लिश इन 1612 बट इसे पॉपुलैरिटी मिली 1625 में। ये एक सटायरिकल ऐसे है रिलीजन पर, जिसमें बेकन बताते हैं कि पैगनिज्म इज अ गुड रिलीजन, इट्स फ्री फ्रॉम ऑल कॉन्फ्लिक्ट एंड हार्म एंड इट कंसिस्ट ऑन रिचुअल रादर दैन फिक्स रूल। क्योंकि इंग्लैंड में बहुत सी रिलीजियस कॉन्ट्रोवर्सीज चल रही थी और क्रिश्चियनिटी की डिफरेंट ब्रांचेस लोगों के सामने आ रही थी, जैसे कैथलिकिज्म, प्रोटेस्टेंटिज्म और एंग्लिकनिज्म। Bacon, as a politician, wanted to unified church for progress of English Empire. That's why he wrote essays to convey his message to nation, monarchy and for the people. Bacon ने अपने आइडियाज को ऐसे राइटिंग के जरिए राजा और उसकी प्रजा तक पहुंचाने की कोशिश की है और साथ ही साथ बताया है कि एक रिलीजियस यूनिटी क्यों होना चाहिए समाज में। और जब रिलीजन है तो जाहिर सी बात है चर्च यानी गिरजाघर भी होंगे और फिर समाज के कुछ लोग उस चर्च से जुड़े हुए होंगे और कुछ नहीं भी। इन दीज ऐसे वी शॉल स्पीक फ्यू वर्ड्स अबाउट कंसर्निंग द यूनिटी ऑफ चर्च। इट्स अ बिग ऐसे which divided into 7 paragraphs. For better understanding, we will see the summary paragraph wise, so it become easy for you to retain the information. First paragraph, religious unity and division. ऐसे begin with the line, religion being the chief bond of human society. Religion हमारे समाज का एक बड़ा हिस्सा है और अच्छी बात यह है कि लोगों में यूनिटी पाई जाती है रिलीजन को लेकर। डिवीज़न, डिफरेंट फेथ, झगड़े फसाद, ये सारे बुराई के जड़ हैं, जिसकी वजह से इंसानों में यूनिटी बाकी नहीं रहती और इंसान हीथन एथिस्ट बन जाता है। हीथन मीन्स एक ऐसा इंसान जो दुनिया के किसी भी रिलीजन को नहीं फॉलो करता। अब वो फॉलो क्यों नहीं करता, उसकी बहुत सी वजह हो सकती हैं, जैसे डिफरेंट बिलीव्स, वैल्यूज, सेरेमनीज एटसेट्रा। इमेजिन करिए पुराने समय में लोगों में कैसे फेथ और बिलीव रहे होंगे रिलीजन को लेकर, चाहे वो एक डॉक्टर हो या चर्च का फादर, पादरी हो या एक पोएट हो। बैकन गॉड के बारे में कहते हैं, एक सच्चे गॉड की खास बात ये होती है कि वो जेलस गॉड होता है और वो अपने वर्शिप और रिलीजन में किसी को शामिल करना कतई बर्दाश्त नहीं करता। ट्रू गॉड इज अ जेलस गॉड, ही विल एंड्योर नो मिक्सचर, नो पार्टनर एज अ गॉड इन वर्शिप। मूविंग अहेड, सेकंड पैराग्राफ, द फ्रूट ऑफ यूनिटी, वेल प्लीजिंग ऑफ गॉड। इस पैराग्राफ में बैकन ने बताया कि फ्रूट ऑफ यूनिटी में 2 तरह के लोग होते हैं, जो चर्च से जुड़े हुए होते हैं और दूसरे वो जो चर्च को नहीं मानते। हेरेसीज और स्कैज़िम्स कहते हैं, जो समाज में रिलीजन को लेकर बुरे आइडियाज स्प्रेड करते हैं और चर्च के अगेंस्ट होते हैं। नॉन बिलीवर पीपल्स की वजह से चर्च फॉलोअर पीपल के मैनर्स खराब हो जाते हैं। बैकन कहते हैं इन लोगों को चर्च के बाहर रखना चाहिए क्योंकि ये लोग यूनिटी को तोड़ते हैं। आगे बैकन इटालियन फ्रेज यूज करके हमें समझाते हैं, जिसका मतलब कुछ यूं होता है, नथिंग कीप्स पीपल्स आउट ऑफ द चर्च और मेक्स देम लीव मोर देन अ लैक ऑफ यूनिटी। सो व्हेनेवर इट हैपेंस दैट सम पीपल से लुक ही इज इन डेजर्ट, another says look he is in inner room, meaning some people seek Christ in secret group and other in visible and official church. We need to constantly remind ourselves do not go out, मतलब पब्लिक की नहीं सुन के हमको अपने गॉड पे बिलीव रखना है, किसी के बहकाने में नहीं आना है। हम लोगों को चर्च से दूर नहीं रख सकते, जब तक कि इनमें यूनिटी की कमी ना पाई जाए। बुरे लोगों से छुपकर लोग गॉड की पूजा करते हैं स्पिरिचुअल और सैल्वेशन पाने के लिए। पीपल आर सीकिंग स्पिरिचुअल ट्रूथ और रिलीजियस फुलफिलमेंट। In addition, the Apostle Paul, also known as Saint Paul, was a key figure in the early Christian church who cared only for those outside the faith. He focused on converting non-Christian people into Christianity. He said that if someone who doesn't believe in Christianity and hears Christians to speaking in different languages, they will think you are crazy, or they might think the crazy Christians are acting. Similarly, when atheists and non-religious people hear so many conflict religious opinion, it turns them away from the church and make them mock it. यानी वो इतने सारे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट सुनकर वो फिर क्या करेंगे, रिलीजियस का मजाक उड़ाने लगेंगे, यार इसमें ये है, इसमें ये है, तो फिर वो उनका फेथ नहीं रहेगा। आगे कहते हैं, अ फेमस सैटारिस्ट once wrote a fact book called The Dance of Heretic, showing that each religious group has its own odd practice, which makes non-believers and corrupt politicians laugh at the religion. इस ऐसे में बेकन ने रिलीजन की इंपॉर्टेंस और ज़रूरत को बताया है कि एक रिलीजन समाज में क्यों होना चाहिए, और कुछ रॉन्ग प्रैक्टिस को लेकर लोग रिलीजन पर हंसेंगे और उसका मजाक भी बनाएंगे। Overall, Bacon argues that achieving religious unity is crucial for maintaining social order and promoting good things in society. Moreover, emphasizing its role as a unifying force. Next, third paragraph, the benefits of unity in the church. It talks about peace and faith. For those inside the church, unity brings peace, which has many blessings. It is strength, faith, spark love, and peace among church members lead to peace of mind. It also shifts the focus of debate on controversies. It transforms the efforts of writing and reading about disagreement into exercise of self-discipline and dedication to spiritual growth. Next, fourth para, understanding religious unity or strategies for promoting unity. Understanding the limits of unity is very important. There are two main extremes. Some people who are very jealous hate any conversations of making peace. They believe in loyalty to their group above all. On the other hand, some lukewarm people think they can compromise on religious issue by finding a middle ground, as if they can mediate between God and humans. Both extremes should be avoided. These can be done by clearly explaining two teaching of Jesus. That is a very beautiful quote. He that is not with us is against us. He that is not against us is with us. This means we need to differentiate between core beliefs in religion and less important matters of opinion, order, or good intention. These might seem unimportant or already done to many, but if it were done more fairly, it would be more widely accepted. Here, Bacon suggests that religious leaders and followers should aim for moderation, tolerance, and open-mindedness. He encourages them to interpret religious beliefs in flexible ways. On this particular essay, we have found a question which have been asked UGC NET in 2019. The question was, he that is not with us is against us. He that is not against us is with us. Who said this? The options are given these, and right answer is Francis Bacon. Moving ahead, fifth paragraph, role of political leaders. इस पैराग्राफ में बेकन हमें अंडरस्टैंडिंग को लेकर एडवाइस करते हैं. People should be careful while discussing about church. There are two types of controversies. The first is when the issue is too small or unimportant, causing unnecessary argument, such as Christ's coat had no seams. मतलब जीसस क्राइस्ट के कोट में सिलाई नहीं थी. What is this? It means Christ's coat was made from one piece of cloth without any stitches or join. This symbolizes perfect unity and wholeness. The church can have diversity without division. Unity and uniformity are not the same thing. The second type is when the issue is significant but becomes complex and obscure, making it more about cleverness than substance. Sometimes people argue about something and don't realize they actually agree it. If this happens among humans, surely God, who knows our hearts, understand the people may intended the same things even in their disagreement and accept the both sides. In fact, St. Paul explained these as well by advising us to avoid meaningless argument and false knowledge. People often create conflict where there are none to make them seem important. There are also two false kind of peace or unity. One based on ignorance, where everyone agrees because they don't know better. On the other hand, based on accepting opposing views on fundamental issues. Truth and falsehood cannot truly united, just like iron and clay cannot mix in Nebuchadnezzar's statue, second king of Neo-Babylonian Empire. Next paragraph, religious unity without violence. From the title itself, we understand this paragraph talks about violence and unity. According to Bacon, when trying to create or restore unity in religion, people must be careful not to destroy the principle of kindness and human society. Among Christians, there are two types of sword or authority. First is spiritual, second is temporal. Both have their proper roles in supporting religion. However, we must not use third sword like Muhammad's sword, which means using wars or brutal persecutions to force people to believe and accept the religion. Here, I must say, Bacon had lack of knowledge about the religion of Islam and Prophet Muhammad. That's why he commented on the religion and leader. As per my knowledge, Islam teaches us love for all things, right to equality, freedom, justice, fast, charity, and message of the Islam religion is peace and mercy. It does not force anyone to come into the religion. Okay, let it go. Comes to the point. According to Bacon, using force is only okay in cases of serious scandal, blasphemy, or action against the government. It's only worse to provoke riots, conspiracies, and rebellions because they cannot destroy the government that's set up by God. Doing this is like ignoring basic human values and prioritize religious rules over everything else. Moving ahead, Bacon gave an example of the poet Lucretius. Lucretius criticized religious action that led to harm using the example of Greek mythology, Agamemnon, who sacrificed his own daughter Iphigenia because of his religious belief. At the end of the paragraph, we have find a Latin phrase which means religion has the power to persuade people to commit great evils. Religion can sometimes influence people to do very harmful or evil things. Last paragraph, warning against religious violence. Here, Bacon concludes essay by telling us importance of religious unity for societal stability and prosperity. Moreover, Bacon had known about the massacre in France and the gunpowder plot in England. He would have become even more critical of religion and less trusting in its प्रिंसिपल. ये दो इवेंट ऐसे थे जिसमें बहुत सारे लोग मारे गए थे, रिलीजियस को लेके उनके बेत खत्म हो गए थे कि रिलीजियस वगैरह कुछ नहीं होता, गॉड कुछ नहीं होता, जो भी है वो सब मोनार्की है, यानी किंग पावर है, किंग जो चाहेगा वही होगा. Here Bacon expressed his sentiment to illustrate how shocking event involving violence and betrayal in the name of religion that could lead someone to question or lose faith in religious principle. Using force in religious matter should be done very carefully, and it's wrong to give such power to ordinary people. That should be left to extremists like the Anabaptists. Bacon suggesting Anabaptist peoples carefully handle this situation without violence. They are known for their radical and extreme belief. Moving ahead, Bacon said, it's a great blasphemy when people act like they are God and commit terrible crimes in the names of religion. like killing rulers and causing chaos. These turns the church meant to be peaceful like a dove into something violent like a vulture and raven. So therefore, it's crucial for church through its teaching and rulers through their authority and all educator to strongly condemn and punish action and beliefs that support such violence. This has already been partially achieved. When discussing religious matter, we should remember the advice of Apostle or Saint Paul. The anger of man does not achieve the justice of God. It was wisely observed and honestly admitted that those who force and pressurize others on the religious matter often have their own interests and own selfish reason for doing so. And here the essay is end. If you found this explanation is helpful and worthwhile to you, so please share and subscribe the channel. And stay tuned at our channel for upcoming video. We plan to bring all the essays series on this channel.